Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we are here again this year, 2025, KBIS in Las Vegas. And I'm bringing my guest this time, Sherry Millien of Terravista Interior Design Group. This is her first time attending the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, so I'm so excited to show you around, see all the vendors and all the latest and greatest things and everything kitchen and bath. So thank you for coming with me.
Well, thank you. I feel like a kid in a candy store. I am extremely excited. I have been dying to come to KBIS. We do all the kitchen and bathroom remodels. And so now I get to come and I get to see and sit and test and do all the fun things. So thank you.
Yes, so let's take a look at what we're gonna see on day one. Okay, so that's a wrap today on day one of KBIS 2025. And we're again in Genesis Products booth. If you have been following me for a while, you can remember last year I did a podcast episode in here at KBIS. They were so nice to let me use their booth for a little bit of quiet. So we're here again today to recap the day and talk about what we saw, some of the connections we've made, old connections. I've met with my Schluter people and Bertazzone and, all kinds of really nice companies that I have connections with, and then made connections with some new companies and saw some interesting things like the soft close shower doors.
That was a fun surprise. It's, as I said, sometimes it's the stuff that's not the sexy. It doesn't have to be wow to be wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was really neat. Soft close shower door. Who would have thought?
Yeah.
That was kind of neat.
And then Napoleon grills, we just stopped by there. They have a beautiful new grill coming out with powder coating on it, which is amazing for especially us in Texas, outside in the elements.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Sherry, today was your first day at KBIS, so what do you think about it for your first opinion on the first day of the first time being here?
So I like it. It's fun. It's what I thought it was going to be, and that you get to see all the appliances, all the cabinets. You get to see what's new and everything, and it's fun to check out the trends. One of the trends that I'm going to be watching to see if it's still a trend tomorrow is matte black. We think that that's going to be a trend coming up in the finishing of appliances, cabinet doors. Kind of that powder coat with the Napoleon grill,
yeah.
right? Is sort of that matte black. So that's kind of one of the big things I've noticed and kind of taken away, I think, from today is the upcoming trend of matte black.
Yeah, and then, we did also stop by our friends and family, Floor and Decor.
Yes, we did.
Saw some really nice large format porcelain tiles there, which was a beautiful thing. And I can't wait to see what tomorrow's gonna bring.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned for more from KBIS 2025.